Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yana and I will be showing you a new stitch. Today it's called bamboo stitch and it creates this beautiful design. So let's get started. So we are gonna knit the border stitch, one knit, and then yarn over, knit two, and slip this stitch over these two knit stitches. Again, yarn over, knit two, and pull through or over. One more time. So this is the front and this is the back, and in the back you just purl all the stitches. I hope you like it and I will see you next time.